What's up, crypto kings and queens? It's your boy King Larry, and I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel where we discuss the latest crypto news, NFTs, blockchain gaming, and all things crypto. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell to stay updated on the latest. And in this video, we're going to talk about 5 of the hottest new NFT projects being built on the Cardano network. Let's go! So, if you've been keeping up with Cardano, then you know smart contracts are right around the corner. So in this video, we're going to talk about 5 of the hottest new NFT projects being built on the Cardano network. Now, the first NFT project that I'm going to talk about today is called Cardanobits, right? This is their website. It says here, a little bit about CBits. Welcome to Cardano Bits, a Cardano's NFT project launched in a very early stage of this great ecosystem. After a very crowded launch, finished in just minutes using GDocs and giving the Yoroi network a nice stress test, lots of CBits arrived at the people's wallets. And now, the only way to get one of them is through the secondary market until smart contracts arrive and we can have marketplaces to easily operate. We suggest to check the escrow service being made at the cnft.io and the Cardano NFT Discords. You can find us on Twitter and Discord. So, Cardano Bits sold out, but you can find them on secondary marketplace or you can wait till smart contracts arrive. Now, this is their gallery, guys. I think their NFTs are dope. I'm gonna just scroll through here and check some of these out. I think these are pretty cool. I challenge you guys to go on their website and check them out yourself. And let me know if you're gonna if you plan on purchasing one of these NFTs, right? So the second NFT project that I'm gonna talk about in this video is called Ada-Monsterz, right? And this is their website. It's okay, guys. It says right here, they're just arriving to this universe, unique and collectible, very limited edition, right? So let's look at their gallery. Let's see what their NFTs look like. Okay, it says right here, Wave 1, ultra rare monsters, right? And it looks like these are animated. So their NFTs are animated. This is so cool, right? Wave 1, rare monsters. Okay, so their ultra rare monsters are animated, right? Yeah, these are dope. So yeah, this is their website, guys. I would go on their Twitter and their Discord as well, and I would check them out and follow them. Now, the third NFT project that I'm going to talk about today, built on the Cardano network, is called Cardano Kids. Now, Cardano Kids is another Cardano NFT project that's already sold out. So you're probably going to have to find them on a secondary marketplace or wait until smart contracts arrive. But it says here on their website, it says, we have had to end the S7 sale early due to unprecedented demand and to retain rarity in the random drop NFTs, right? It says minting will continue for all those who purchased. You will get your NFT. It may take quite a while. Any wrong payments will be refunded in due course. Once we have completed, we will update rarities across S7 and all previous series combined. We are sorry for ending early, but we need to retain some level of rarity and mint within our policy window. Thank you, everyone. So, the high demand, people minted this thing, these NFTs, and they just exploded. So now they have to wait until smart contracts arrive. So this is their website, and I think it looks great. So the fourth NFT project that I'm going to talk about in this video, built on Cardano, is called SpaceBudz, right? And it says here, it says collect your favorite astronauts. 10,000 space buds out there. What are you waiting for? So this is their website, guys. It looks like you can already connect your wallet. So I'm sure these are already for sale. Explore the collectibles. Let's look at their NFTs. Oh yeah, these are dope. Yeah, I like these. I like the aesthetic. Yeah, very Cardano. Yeah, these are cool. These are very cool. Okay, now the fifth and final NFT project that I'm going to talk about today that's built on the Cardano network is called Ada-Dolls. Now, this project is still in development. Their website is still under construction and still in development. But it says right here on their Twitter, it says Ada-Dolls, totally unique, totally awesome Cardano NFT dolls, right? And here it says, meet Buddy, the new 3D blank canvas for your favorite CNFT collaborators. So with these dolls, I believe that you mint a 3D blank canvas, and you work with the artist and you create your own unique NFT, your own unique Ada doll. See, it says right here, one guy says, still holding my one-of-one Ada dolls, collab with CryptoKitties. So, yeah, I challenge you guys to go on their Twitter. When their website gets up and running, I challenge you guys to go on there and look at some of these, some of their gallery. Look at their gallery and some of their NFTs. If you guys are interested in any of these projects, if you're looking forward to any of these projects, if you own any of these NFTs, let me know. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the post notification bell to stay updated on the latest. And yeah.